Hello everybody, so today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is differential equation, and this one is from RCQ Philippines. So now I will show you the technique how to answer. We have equation in here, and we know that we have x plus y, and we also have x plus y with number 2. So we can use about substitution. So we put about u equal to x plus y. Later that we do derivative in the both sides. So you got about du equal to dx plus dy. And now I will choose about one variable in here. So I choose y, and I put s on the left, and you got about u minus s. Similar for this one, I choose dy. So that's about this one. So I move the s on the left, and you got about dy equals to du minus ds. So now we need to change everything in here. X plus y I change for u. Ds we keep the same. To x I keep the same. So we have y in here. So I will change y into u minus s. About dy, I will change about du minus ds for this one. So you got about u minus 9 ds. So we have 2s multiplied with du and negative ds. Oh sorry, we multiply number 2 with u and negative s. So this one you eliminate 2s in here. So you got about 2u plus 1. So we have u minus 9. So we have negative ds multiplied with 2u and number 1 u. So you got about negative 2u, negative number 1. You got about ds. This one you got about 2u plus 1 du. So this one you got about negative u, negative number 10 ds. So I put this one go to the right. So you got about 2u plus 1 du equals to u plus 10 ds. Later that we divide both sides with u plus 10. After that, we put the integral sign for the both sides. Next, if we want to calculate this integral in here, you make about 2u plus 20, because we are number 20, that means we need to minus number 20 plus 1 over u plus 10. This one, you got about 2 minus 19 over u plus 10 du. So this one, you got about 2u minus 19 multiplied with ln of the absolute value of u plus 10 equal to s plus c. About u, that is about s plus y. So we put s plus y in here. So we put s plus c go to the left. That's the end. Thank you for watching.